kubuke ekuhlulekeni kwakhe ukusinikeza something yokugcina yokuvikela
The
lo
time my baby popped out, no one was there or a family. Understand ukuthi isicathulo sishisa mina akusabekezeleli.
Yimina owenza ukuthi lo mbono lo ungafiki.
delusionally abafazi bami kakhulu bayayakha lento engqondweni zabo baphile nayo iphile kubona.
I think all this uncuts almost Samseleko uzenzele. Besides views and money, I think uzenzele ukuthi it must paint him as a victim. Kuzo zonke itori nje. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. People find Umusam Seligo as an arrogant, narcissistic man who thinks he's a straight talker, and he's not a straight talker. He keeps on hurting his wives. That's why his wives always react like this. And their final straw is leaving. And I don't see any of the wives leaving because I don't know. I think I would have left the marriage because a man who can fully say, it's TV while everyone is watching, I see is not providing. But the thing Aizelela is Uxala. Knowing very well Gusuma Kumalo had ectopic pregnancies. Like almost I'm saying with disrespect Abafazbake in front of us and then turns himself into a victim. He told Usamge ukuthi ama-photo shoots anyeke akhone ukuza kuma-photo shoots. He didn't even go to the hospital to check umntwanakhe. Kodwa naye Usamge wazifaka guys ukhuziwe. But still, that doesn't make him to ignore his blood. And then I post. It's like Umusam Selegu is only doing this show just to gain views and be famous yena. But it doesn't matter. I think that's why Umayeni is always angry. Like she sees Umusa as just manipulating them, and then Abuye Azubakola delusional. They're not delusional. Abeko delusional. You're the one who chose to go and marry those wives. Ayisho wena ubone bakahle ukuthi bangaba abafazi bakho. Don't call them delusional. Umusa is just arrogant and abantu bakwatile guys. People are so angry. Yabona ukuthi people are fuming ukuthi why is he talking to uMakhumalo kanje kule uncut le kaMakhumalo. Why Umusa always when it comes to uMakhumalo ahlezi akhuluma kabi. Sesobona ku-show ya Friday. I don't know, guys. I don't expect Musa, but it's not my decision. It's not our decision. It's decision. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Nah, I think they should leave. Musa is not a good person.